Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing basics, 7 tips for getting started in network marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Seven tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. Network marketing basics, 7 tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy should be read before starting your own MLM business. It will cover the basics of a marketing plan and an overview of the various types of network marketing businesses. One of the most important things you must do before starting a network marketing business is to decide what type of product or service you want to sell. The best way to determine this is to visit the websites of network marketing companies that offer this service. Look for a wide range of options from the top-of-the-line business opportunities to those that are not quite as top of the line. Once you have a good idea of the type of product or service you want to sell, the next step is to learn how to set up an MLM business. The basics of network marketing are fairly simple, but there are more details than the average person would like to learn. If you don't know how to sell online, then you may want to learn how to create a website to promote your MLM business. Then you can begin creating an MLM marketing website. Start small by building a blog about your company, offering discounts to your visitors and adding videos to your website so you can build a presence online. One of the biggest reasons for failing in network marketing is a lack of knowledge. So, learn how to sell online before you start your MLM business. As you go through the different steps, you will start learning the different types of products or services that are available. Once you learn how to promote products and services online, you can begin to branch out and learning about other types of marketing. You can expand your MLM business by learning how to increase profits and generate new customers. By following the network marketing basics, you will learn the ins and outs of network marketing. To get started, your first business opportunity will be a wholesaling company. Because it is relatively easy to start this business, you will quickly learn about how to run a business and where to find the resources you need to get started. You will soon learn that business opportunities are popping up every day, and to really get started you will need to focus on one niche at a time. Focus on one industry and offer that niche a product or service. Once you have built a strong reputation and are building a relationship with customers, you can then branch out and learn how to market a new product or service in another area. If you have already built a large inventory of products and do not have room for another one, you can sell inventory on eBay. Be sure to know how to sell on eBay before you get started. At some point, you will have to begin working on your business with a partner. Having a partner will allow you to grow the business faster and not have to worry about investing any money or making any commitments to someone you may not even know. The best way to get started is to have a business plan and pick a niche to market before you start your business. Next, go online and research the niche and learn how to market on various marketing websites. This is the best way to make the necessary first contacts and get your product or service out to your target market. By learning network marketing basics, you will be ready to get started on your MLM business. You will be able to jump in with both feet and become successful. If you need more information on how to get started in network marketing, then please visit my website below. 7 tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy. The 7 tips for getting started in network marketing with Richard Murphy will teach you everything you need to know to be successful. His strategy is simple and will take you all the way from zero to hero with network marketing. I had not heard of this guy before I was introduced to him by a new idea business networker. I found out later that he has been marketing for about 10 years, and his business is called Network Marketing Blueprint. The first step to start your network marketing blueprint is to create a solid system. Do you know what my system is? Here it is. I have been in business for a very long time now, and I have not made any consistent, fast, but steady money with it. It does, however, generate some extra income at the same time. So my advice is to keep the motivation up as you get to the advanced levels. You are on the right track, though. Your system will be a lifesaver if you ever need to become a marketing consultant. You can sell all of the training courses on this website alone. The best method I have heard about getting started in network marketing is to take this program, Networking 101, and do the examples with all of the calls and business letters. Then take the full length of the e-book and repeat those steps. Now, I know that you don't want to be an affiliate marketing or pay-per-click expert. Well, I have a better idea. I am sure that you are wondering what to do if you need to go from that knowledge to start a real business, an affiliate marketing or pay-per-click expert. Well, you need to know how to turn that information into a profitable business. A good coach would be the best choice. Also, you will need to find a mentor or someone who has actually accomplished that goal. Really, that is the best way to do it. Learn from someone who has done it, and then follow their lead to get where you want to be. Will you be able to quit your job and start working on your business right away? That may well be the case if you have good mentors. Finally, when you are ready to get started in network marketing, you have to remember that you need an active mind, a powerful body, and a healthy ego. No matter what program you get, if you are not a focused person and don't have a good idea in your head, you will find it very difficult to succeed. Network Marketing Basics 7 Tips for Getting Started in Network Marketing with Richard Murphy. Network Marketing Basics 7 Tips for Getting Started in Network Marketing with Richard Murphy as a video was written by Richard Murphy on his own blog. It is a very useful guide, providing a number of key strategies and principles for making money with network marketing. At the moment, many people have started to venture into network marketing. They are not sure where to start and what to do, especially when they are on the first step of their journey. I have created this article to be able to give these people valuable tips on how to get started in network marketing. The first tip is to just remember the system and stick to it. Following the system is the most important step you can take. You do not want to make any changes or find a better system. The biggest mistake that people make is trying to find shortcuts or systems that will make them make more money. The second tip is to keep learning, never stop getting better. If you keep doing the same things that you are doing now, you will never improve. This system will also be what will make you successful. The third tip is that you shouldn't jump from one opportunity to another. Start with an established MLM company or a well-known company that has a good reputation. What is important is to learn and understand your target market and product. Another important tip is to not be too ambitious. Once you know what you want, you can start to build your network. A lot of people think that if they know everything about their network marketing opportunity, then they will succeed. This is not true. I have seen a lot of unsuccessful people who think that they know everything. The most successful people in the world have a simple formula and they stick to it. To get going in network marketing, I recommend that you learn as much as you can. That way, you will have a solid base to start with. The next thing to do is to start doing something. Do a little research, read articles, study the system. Get yourself connected to a mentor who can show you the way. This will help you out a lot and it will give you the courage to take the steps to get started. In fact, the most important part of this process is that you learn everything you can. Make sure that you always learn something new every day. This will help you out tremendously and it will enable you to build your business in no time. The last tip is to be careful about jumping from one opportunity to another. This is a big mistake, especially if you have a bad reputation. Do not start doing something that you know nothing about, or that you do not understand. This will just cause you to fail and will make you regret your decision. Be safe and learn everything you can. Thanks for watching my video about Network Marketing Basics 7 Tips for Getting Started in Network Marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.